Hi, Chris.
Hi, Monica.
Hi, great to meet you.
Very nice to meet you as well.
Where are we?
So this is Pooh Bridge, which is the gateway to the Ashdown Forest or the 100 Acre Woods. Cotchford Farm is where A.A. Milne wrote all of the Winnie the Pooh books. And Pooh Bridge is very famous for one of the stories where the characters would drop a stick in one side and race to the other side to watch whose stick won. I have a stick for you.
Okay, thank you. Let's have a look. Okay, yay! I won!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Shall we wander up to Cotchford Farm?
Yes, let's do it.
So welcome to Cotchford Farm.
Wow.
It's the ancestral home of Winnie the Pooh.
Beautiful.
And down here we have a number of the prints from E.H. Shepard, which is the original artwork from the books. This is A.A. Milne's study, so this is where all of the books were written, just in here.
Let's take a look. This is beautiful. The first thing you notice is the beams.
This section of the building is all mid-16th century, so this was the original section. And that section of the room over there was the original study where all of the books were written.
So it's a very creative house. There must be something that's inspiring about it.
Well, we found this house 8 years ago and it was quite run down, but it had this beautiful, wholesome feel to it. So as a family, we decided to buy the house and we then went through an extensive renovation or conservation of the house. We preserved a lot of the features that appeared through A.A. Milne and through Brian Jones's era so that the house was preserved for future generations.
Chris, how big is the house?
The house is around about 3,600 square feet across 3 levels. There are 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms.
So walk me through the house.
We've got a magnificent dining room, oak panelled. We're now standing in the drawing room. It's an incredibly atmospheric area to sit and a lovely little library area off to the side. And then we have what was Brian Jones's music room across the corridor. He was the founder of the Rolling Stones.
So what are your favourite things to do here?
Well, the house is wonderful, but the gardens are exquisite. Hermione's waiting outside for you. She's our manager and she's going to take you on a tour of the gardens.
Okay, well, I will meet you back here once I'm done with the tour.
Sounds great.
Hermione,
Hi Monica, nice to meet you. Welcome to Cotchford Farm.
tell me about the grounds.
We're set in 2 acres here and then the surrounding fields, it makes up a total of 15 acres. You have the pool, so it's heated. We can bring in chefs for you. We also offer tennis lessons for children if parents need help with entertainment for the week while they're staying here, and guided Ashdown Forest walks. A ranger can talk you through all the wildlife, the kind of really unique landscape again that Ashdown Forest has to offer. It's the perfect London escape whilst being in the heart of nature in Sussex.
Hermione, it really is the quintessential English farmhouse, and I think I'm going to go get a cup of tea.
Lovely.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, Monica.